Alright, YouTube, I am here about to vacuum this rug or piece of carpet. I sprayed it with some Resolve yesterday after I got home from work, and now that I'm home from work and had some coffee and aspirin, I figured I would go ahead and vacuum up the dried up Resolve. And you could probably guess which vacuum I'm using because you see a Hoover Convertible missing. And no, I'm not using the Guardsman over there. Yep, the U4101. And that squeaking is just the brush roll. I got the brush roll out of the Decade 80 in it, and the brush roll out of the U4003 in the Decade 80, and the brush roll out of this in the Guardsman, because, well, the brush roll out of this one, it vibrated the least. The brush roll out of the U4003 doesn't hardly vibrate, but there's still a little bit. And the one out of the Decade 80, which is in this one, it didn't vibrate nearly as bad as the brush roll out of the Guardsman. The Guardsman here, it had beater bars, but it was awful vibrating. It was just awful vibration. So yeah, and if I'm using that at work, I don't want to hear all that vibration. But there we go with the convertible, cleaning up the Resolve, the dried up Resolve. And I know this one hasn't made that big of an appearance on the channel here, so I figured why not use it. So, tell me how you liked it, tell me what y'all would like to see, and I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.
That big 8-wheeler rolling down the track means your true loving daddy ain't coming back, 'cause I'm moving on. I'll soon be gone.